Good morning once again. Today's date is page 150, example number 12. Okay, one second. Page 150, example number 12. Identify. Okay, okay, don't worry, Gursharan. We will solve some questions in the given exercise. There it will be clear to you. Okay, example number 12, second part. Second part. Let me say. Example number 12, second part. It is 4.9 square. Class, we have this question and they want us to solve it using identity. Class, please tell me in which two numbers you can break it. Please tell. That is easy for you. Which two numbers? The one possibility is 4 plus 0.9, or second possibility is 5 minus 0.1. We have to understand which one is better. We have to understand which one is better for us. And if you see, this one will be better because 1 square will give you much easier number. So we will go for this one. If you want, you can go for this also. This is also correct, no issue. Okay, so we will go for this one. And please tell me, if you see this thing, which formula comes to your mind? Which formula comes to your mind when you see this expression? Please tell which formula comes to your mind, or which identity comes to your mind. No, Soham, it is x minus y whole square or a minus b whole square. So we can compare with comparing with a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We can say the a is equal to what? Class, if you compare these two, a is equal to what? A is equal to 5 and b equal to what? B is equal to 0.1. So we just need to replace these values of a and b in the formula. So put these values one by one. First 5 I have placed, then minus sign 2 is there. In place of a, again 5 will come. In place of b, 0.1 will come. Then we have a plus sign. In place of b, 0.1 will come, and that's it. Now only thing we have to do is we have to open these brackets and add or subtract these, and we will get the answer. Gursharan, I think you are able to understand this. 25 minus 10 into 0.1 plus 0.1 square, it is 0.01. You can check, 0.1 square will give you 0.01. Finally, it will be 25 minus 10 into 0.1 will give you 1 plus 0.1. Finally, it will be 25.01 minus 1. Okay, and the answer is 24.01. Class, please check. Is it fine? This multiplication of decimals is not that tough. If you want, you can do separately on the left hand side. Okay, while multiplying you can forget this decimal. After multiplying again you can put the decimals on the required places. Okay, now let's take questions of 9.5. Use a suitable identity to get the following products. So class, if I take suppose third part, we have to find 2a minus 7 into 2a minus 7. We all know how to multiply them normally. We have learned till 9.4 how to multiply such binomials easily. Very good, Gurcharan. So class, in this 9.5 they want us to use the formula. So please tell me which formula we can utilize in this case. It can be written as 2a minus 7 whole square. So which formula we can use? Class, please tell which formula we can utilize over here. Yes, we can utilize comparing with a minus b. Sorry. Class, one more thing I want to say. If in the question variables are a, b or something, then the formula should be of different variable. Always make it a habit. If the question contains variable a, don't write the formula in a. Then write the formula in x and y. This will make it what you say less confusing. So comparing with x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. I hope you are able to understand what I am saying. If the question contains variable a or b, then it is advisable to write the formula in terms of x and y. If the question contains x and y, in that case, write the formula in a and b. Okay, class? Now comparing what is the value of x? X is equal to how much? X is equal to 2a and y is equal to 7. Now putting the values, we will get 2a square minus 2 into 2a into 7 plus minus, sorry, this is plus 7 only. We cut this square. Just solve this. It will be 2 to the 4 a square minus 2 to the 4, 4 7 the 28 a plus 49. This is the answer. Hiteshri, correct. Now let us take another example. Fifth part. 1.1 m minus 0.4 into 1.1 m plus 0.4. Class, tell me after seeing these expressions, which identity is coming to your mind? Please tell, after seeing this expression, which formula is coming to your mind? No, Soham, not this time. If you observe, they both are not same. It is having minus in between, it is having plus in between. Although they have same first term and second term, but the signs between them are not same. Class, please observe. Yes, it is a plus b, a minus b formula. It is formula of a plus b, a minus b. So comparing with a minus b into a plus b, we all know the answer is a square minus b square. We can say a is equal to how much? Class, a equal to how much? If you compare these, what is the value of a? It is 1.1 m. What is the value of b? Please answer. Hiteshri, good beta. What is the value of m? It is 0.4. Now we just have to put these values in the formula and we'll get the answer. So 1.1 m square minus 0.4 square. So we all know 11 square is 121. Class, if I forget this decimal for some time, we know 11 square is 121. Now, as there is decimal on one place, when it multiplies two times, Sir Vanshika Yadav in class, what happened? It becomes 1.21 meter square minus again 4 square is 16 as decimal on one place, after product it comes at two place, so 0.16. Gursharan beta, some mistake is there in your answer. Gursharan, you have taken, I think that a plus b whole square or minus whole square. It is simple formula of a minus b, a plus b. You have to go for this formula. This is the answer. 1.21 meter square. Sir, Vanshika Yadav is my sister's phone. Okay, okay. Yes, it is 1.21. 1.21 meter square बेटा जोएल, m का स्क्वायर भी तो करोगे आप. This m will also become square beta. Rachit, beta, from where you got this 1.5? Rachit, what is 1.5 beta? Please confirm. What 1.5? Rachit. Let's try the next question now. Sixth part. Okay, you are subtracting like this. Don't subtract beta. In between there is a m square also. Don't forget this one. This m square is there. Okay, they are not like terms. You cannot subtract them. Don't subtract them. Okay, Rachit. Please tell me a square plus b square minus a square plus b square. Please tell me which formula will help us here. Class, which formula will help us here? Which formula is coming to your mind after seeing this expression? Please tell. Very nice. But Krishna, I have told you, when question has variable a, the formula should be written in which variable? In different variable. Krishna? Yes. No, Soham, it is not that formula. We have to compare it with x square minus y square. For that, first let me write it again like this. It can be written as or b square plus a square into b square minus a square. So class, can I write like this? Can I write like this? It is same. I have just changed the position to make it easy for me to understand. Okay. Now comparing it with x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. Tell me what is the value of x? If you compare with x plus y and x minus y, what is the value of x? X equal to how much? Class, x equal to how much? No, Krishna. Try to observe. Yes, Harshul, good. Parth, good beta. No, Rachit. It is b square. First position is b square. First position is x. That means x and b square are same. X is equal to b square. Now tell me what is the value of y? What is the value of y? Y is a square. Hiteshri, Parth, Harshul, all are correct. Now we just need to put this value in this formula. After putting, we will get in the place of x, we have to put b square minus in the place of y, we have to put a square. So what is the answer, class? Class, what is the answer? What is the answer? Please tell. Yes, it is b power 4 minus a power 4. Simple. Okay. Class, 1 second. Okay. Now let's take the next question. Now you try this one, eighth part. Minus a plus c minus a plus c. First tell me which identity is coming to your mind when you see such expression. Which formula is coming to your mind? No, Soham, this time again try to observe what is given to you. Are they same things or they are different? There are four formulas that you have learned now. Please see all of them. Soham, Rachit, no. Please see, try to observe. No, Krishna, no. No one gave right answer till now. Yes, no. Parth, wrong, 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 wrong. If you see it as C minus A and C minus A getting multiplied, Ananya, very good beta. Ananya gave the first correct answer. Krishna, now you are correct. Rachit, correct. It is C minus A whole square because they both are exactly same. It is C minus A whole square. You can write this as or C minus A into C minus A is equal to C minus A whole square. Comparing with x minus y whole square is equal to बस यही तो करना था. Now tell me what is the value of x, what is the value of x and what is the value of y? Please tell. Y is equal to a and x is equal to c. Okay, good. Now just put the values and you will get the answer. In the place of x, in bracket put c. In the place of y, put a, and we are done. Answer is c square minus 2ca plus a square. Done. Sir, why should be minus a? No, beta. When you are comparing, please see. Let me then tell you again. Harshul, please see. We had c minus a whole square. You are comparing it with x minus y whole square. So x coming at the place of c, negative coming in the place of negative. That is why y is equal to a. Harshul, now are you able to understand? X is comparable with c. Please see again. C minus a whole square we are comparing with x minus y whole square. So c and x are comparable, minus and minus are comparable, a and y are comparable. That is why y is equal to a, x is equal to c. That's it. Okay. Now let's take one more part. Okay, now let's see question number 2. Using the identity x plus a, x plus b, we have to use now this one, x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Find the following products. It is very easy now. Let's take the sixth part, 2a square plus 9, 2a square plus 5. So class, if you compare, what is the value of x? Please tell. What is the value of x? If you compare the equations, what is the value of x? X is, very good Harshul. Others please try. What is the value of x? It is 2a square. What is the value of A? What is the value of A? A is 9 and B is 5. Now just put in the formula. So in the place of x, we will put 2a square whole square plus a plus b, 9 plus 5. In the place of x, again put 2a square plus 9 into 5. Now class, tell me what will you get in this? What is the answer of this bracket? Please tell me. It is no, Harshul. You have to do square of both of them. This is for whole. This square is for both of them. So it will be 2 square is 4 and a square is a power 4. Okay, it is 4a power 4 plus 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 into 2 is 28 a square plus 45. This is the answer. Class, anyone having any doubts in this? Please ask. Any doubts in this? No. Okay. So let's try the next part. Seventh part. Let's try. Please tell me this answer. In seventh part, we have xyz minus 4 into xyz minus 2. Class, now we have a issue. Class, now we have a issue because the formula that we have seen is having plus in between. The formula is this one. But in our question, negative sign is coming. So we will have to make it positive. How? It can be written as xyz plus bracket minus 4 xyz plus bracket minus 2. So class, can I write like this? Please tell me, can I write like this? Please tell. Yes, you can. Okay, thank you. So the thing is, why? Why I need to write like this? The question comes in our mind is, why I need to write like this? Because the formula that we have studied is x plus a into x plus b. That is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. We have studied this formula. In our formula, there is plus in between, but in the question it was negative. That is why I tried to bring positive so that I can easily compare. That is why I changed the question language to make it comparable with the formula. And now you tell me class, what is the value of x? What is this x for you? This x is similar to xyz. Yes. A is similar to, class tell me what is the value of a? What is the value of a? Please be very careful before telling. Yes, just very good. What is the value of a? Others please try. No, no, beta. Ananya, you have to compare these two. You have to compare. X we have got xyz. What is the value of a? Rachit, good. Yes, correct. Joel, correct. Aryan, no. Try to find. Soham, good. If you compare, you will get the value of a very easily. Prisha, good beta. A is, yes, Ananya, it is minus 4. A is, because when you compare, x came with xyz plus and plus comparable. So A is comparable with minus 4. Similarly, B is equal to how much? Minus 2. And now just put the values and you will get the answer. In the place of x, put xyz plus, in the place of a, replace -4, in the place of b, replace -2, and outside x is there, so xyz will come plus ab -4 -2. That's it. What is the answer? It will be, class, tell me, what will we get here? xyz whole square. If you open the square, what will happen? What will we get? Yes, Krishna, good. Others, please answer. Aryan, good. We will get good. Harshul, others, please try. What will we get? xyz whole square. We will get x square, y square, z square. Ananya, you have to distribute the square to all of them. Okay? No, yes. You have to distribute this power to 3 of them. Now, -4 and -2 become -6. So -6 xyz. And finally, 4 to the 8. So class, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, Ananya. Good. Class, try to solve the remaining questions, question number 3 and 4 also, as your homework today. If any doubts, we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. Now, let me stop the recording.